Hello guys, this is your boy DEFI again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. You guys who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also comment on my videos. It'd be a great honor for me. And also you need to subscribe because I'm giving daily updates on the platforms that I'm going to do. So I wouldn't want you to miss on such videos. So lately I've been focusing on DeFi staking platform. If you look at the videos which have been coming out from the last week, all of them were on DeFi staking platform. But I'm going to start integrating it with other platforms that I'm already doing. So this is day number 13 since DeFi staking platform started, and I started with it. So I just want to make some things clear in this video. I just want to make it short. People are asking, there are very many questions that have come up from my team. I've also seen some questions from guys in the Telegram channel. There is a Telegram channel. You guys should join this channel because all the information is posted there. And so I've had some questions that I bought. It has been 27 hours, but I haven't seen any dividends. I bought, it has been such and such hours, I haven't got any dividends. So I'm going to clarify on that. In this video, I explain everything, how it should be done. And so this is the channel, DeFi staking platform chat. So now let me go to, before I go to the auction and staking launch, let me just explain this. How does this thing work? That is the biggest question that people have been asking. So, in other words, to begin with, you need to have a Tron wallet. So, Tron wallet that is funded with some Tron because you're going to use that Tron to invest into the system. So, you use your Tron in the Tron wallet, and I would recommend either a Tron Link wallet or a Tron wallet for mobile users because they are well compatible to this platform. So use your Tron to buy the DSP tokens in the contract. And then you stake or you hold those tokens in the contract for the number of days that you want. The longer days you spend holding the tokens, the more benefits you get. For example, you can get the bonus day rewards, and also you gain interest. Let me show you guys. You also gain interest on your tokens. So those tokens, they make you daily dividends in Tron. Some people call them profits, but for me I call them dividends because they are shared amongst all people. So these are the bonus day rewards that I've been talking of, and the stake interest. So you get the bonus day rewards. Bonus day rewards are given every after 5 days you spend into a system, and then this interest is given every day because this token appreciates in value. So that's your interest for the token appreciation in value. As you can see, we have columns, bonus day rewards, and also interest. So now these ones have not spent 5 days in the contract, that's why they're having zeros. These ones have spent over 5 days in the contract. So this one is making 10 days tomorrow to be available for correction. This one, so this is the bonus day rewards, and these bonus day rewards are in Tron, DSP tokens. Even the interest here is in DSP. So it's only the dividends that are paid in Tron. And when you withdraw this whole chunk will go to your Tron wallet. So that's that. So those tokens, they make you daily dividends in Tron, and they also appreciate in value. That's what I've been talking of here in the interest. So when the days you staked are over, both the tokens and the profits made in terms of dividends are paid to you. I made a video about that. I'm going to leave in the link in the description of the video. You can click on that. So the dividends go straight to your Tron wallet. These are the dividends. They go straight to your Tron wallet. While the DSP tokens, these tokens that let me go to the ended stakes here and I show you guys. So these dividends here, they go straight to the Tron wallet, and then this what they say paid amount. These are the shares in terms of DSP. These ones, they go to the DSP balance here. They come back here and you can restake them again for the number of days that you want, and they continue making for you dividends. So when do you start getting dividends? That's the question that very many people are asking. People contact you, I bought tokens, I'm not getting dividends, why is it still in waiting? So that's what we are going to answer. Let me just let me refresh this. I wanted to show you that live here so that you can see it. I have some DSP balance here that I can stake and show you guys. So I'm having 497 here. So if I'm to put it here, let me 497. Let me stake it for how many days? For this, I'm getting paid on 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th. I want to get paid on the 20th. The 20th. So if I stake it for 7 days, it will end on the 20th. So that's the strategy I want to use. I want to at least be paid every day. So that's what I'm doing right now. So if I'm to stake it for 7 days, it will end on the 20th. So on the 20th, I will also be able to collect some Tron dividends. So it pops up my wallet. You should read the function here. Always says stake start. So I accept it in the wallet. So it has been staked for 7 days. If I'm to refresh it here, so it will populate. But let me start explaining this. Okay, it has populated. They have all come. So now this is where our question comes in. When do you start getting dividends? Now you see I've put up a stake. This stake is brand new. It's the one that I've just put up and it is still in waiting. So this is where we start from. Now you see this timer here. It has 19 hours till the auction ends. So this stake is going to be in waiting till this timer goes to 0. When this timer goes to 0, so this waiting will go away and it will become like this, because these ones, they are also like this when this timer had not yet gone to 0. When it went to 0, now it has gone off a few hours, like 5 hours, so it has started generating. So it is activated, in other words. So it is activated. Now that is it. So when this timer now goes to 0 again, it has 19 hours. So these stakes that are active here now, they will pay dividends. Now someone says, my stake is activated, but I'm seeing 0 dividends. You're getting 0 dividends because the stake has just been activated and it is waiting for that new day to start so that you are paid the dividends for that day that it has been activated. So that's how the thing works. So this one also, it is going to be in waiting till this one goes to 0. When this one goes to 0, it will be like this, and it will have 0 dividends here. When the timer goes to 0 again, that's when I'll be able to see dividends in this line and have some interest also. So those of you who have not got it clearly, you can rewind the video and play it as you pause it, because that's the explanation that I can give you about it. So in other words, it's like this. When you enter the auction lobby and buy tokens, you have to wait till the timer goes to 0 for the tokens to be available for collection. And when you collect them and make a stake, you will also have to wait till the timer goes to 0 before it becomes activated. You can see those are the 2 times the timer goes to 0. So when the timer goes to 0 again, you'll get the dividends. So that's the summary of what I've been explaining, guys. And this video is very important. You can also forward it to your downlines or people who are asking you how this works. It can help them very well understand the system. So I wanted it to be short, but it is already 11 minutes. So guys, that's it. These are the dividends I've so far earned, and I'm waiting for this clock to go back to 0 so that I can earn more dividends. So see you guys in another video. Share this video with your team members or with your friends that want to join, and remember to comment on my videos, like my videos. Please don't dislike my videos, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be very happy for that. And for those of you who want to join, there is a referral link here. You can join under my link and get a 5% extra tokens given to you if you use my link. And I also like that 10%. It will be very good for you. So that's it, guys. My link is in the description. Click on it and under 5% extra tokens. See you in another video.